Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix Instagram try again later. First of all, we will discuss when this error occur when you click on a follow button or you want to like a post on Instagram and Instagram show you this kind of pop-up. Then here is the reasons for that error. First of all, the first reason is you have done spamming, which means you have shared a link which has spam. And the second one is you have violated Instagram community guidelines. And the third one is you have comment on something again and again or follow or unfollow the same person and again and again. And the last one is you have used an app to get the fake followers. Now we'll move towards the solution without wasting any time. First of all, the first solution is that you have to restart your device so that your Instagram app can also be restarted and this problem can be solved. And the second solution is that you have to open your Instagram. After that, you have to click on profile icon. After that, you have to click on three lines. In three lines, you have to click on settings. In settings, you have to click on help. In help, you have to click on report a problem. After that, as you click on report a problem, then Instagram will prepare a bug report, which means it will check that if any kind of problem is occurring to your Instagram app, and you can also explain your problem to Instagram that what is happening to your Instagram app. Moreover, you can also take the screenshot or you can also attach any kind of photo from the gallery which can help the Instagram community in a better way. After that, you can click on next and your problem will be submitted to Instagram. And the second solution for is that you have to log out your Instagram account. For this, you have to click on settings. In settings, you have to scroll down and click on log out. After logging out, you can log in again and check whether the problem has solved or not. After that, you can also check the third solution, which is as you have to click on settings. After that, you have to go to apps and you have to search for Instagram. Scroll down to get the Instagram app. Here you have to click on Instagram and you have to clear the cache and all the data from the Instagram so that your Instagram can be restarted after clearing the data. Hope this will work for you. If you have liked this video, kindly subscribe our channel.